Hello everyone, Namaste. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use the Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. I have set my current Workspace mode to Essentials Classic. You can set this by going to the window, Workspace, and by selecting Essentials Classic. You can access the Shape Builder tool from the toolbox or by using the shortcut Shift+M. First mode is merging shapes. In order to use this tool, you need to first select two or more overlapping shapes. After selecting the shapes, with the Shape Builder tool, simply click and drag the pointer across the overlapping shapes to merge. Second mode is erasing. To erase the unwanted shapes, first select the shapes. And with the Shape Builder tool, press and hold the Alt key to enter the erase mode and drag the pointer across the shapes you want to erase. Third mode is used to create unique shapes. Select all shapes and simply click on the area you want to convert into shape with the Shape Builder tool. Last mode is used to erase edges. Select the overlapping shapes, open the Shape Builder tool and hold the Alt key and click on the edge you want to delete. That's all. Let me show you how we can use the Shape Builder tool to illustrate complex shapes more easily with a couple of examples. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you understand the Shape Builder tool, and don't hesitate to drop your queries in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.